In today's digital landscape, organizations win by delivering seamless experiences for humans and efficiency to internal operations. But now, with the introduction of AI agents, it's more important than ever to ensure data is captured in a clean, clear, and usable manner. Many businesses face the same challenge, designing effective workflows that can reach up into the application layer, tagging in human involvement for sensitive scenarios that require secure execution and oversight. Camunda and Form.IO come together to provide a world-class process orchestration engine coupled with an enterprise-grade form building and data management system that is ready to meet even the most complex of workflows with the flexibility needed to serve humans and agents alike. Let's take a look at a real-world example. In this demo, Form.IO provides the front-end form that collects employee information, while Camunda orchestrates a full approval process behind the scenes. While this particular example describes a relatively simple employee time-off request, the foundational concepts of bridging workflows to humans and agents alike can be applied to even the most advanced industry-specific use cases. Let's dive in. The foundation of this application is built on a Form.IO project that has been configured to handle the complete leave request lifecycle. This project contains the data models, authentication structure, and integration points needed to demonstrate the orchestration with Camunda. The leave request form is the heart of this application. Employee information is collected here, including leave type, such as vacation, sick, or personal time, and the duration of the leave. Conditional logic has been implemented within the form itself. Supervisor and manager approval sections appear dynamically based on the logged-in user's role. A webhook action has been configured on the form. Upon submission, Form.IO fires a post request to an API endpoint with the submission payload and metadata. This API serves as the integration layer. The submission data is transformed into the format expected by Camunda's process engine, and the webhook is forwarded to initiate the workflow. This separation allows Form.IO to remain focused on data management, while Camunda handles orchestration logic. A separate doctor's note form has been created for scenarios requiring medical documentation. This form contains a reference to the initial leave request and is accessed through the workflow when policy requirements are triggered. The Camunda diagram defines the complete approval workflow. When a new submission is received from the API, the process instance is started and the submission data is made available to the workflow engine. The data received by Camunda is not the entire submission object, but a reference submission ID and a minimal set of field data. This process uses only the essential information, resulting in a highly performant and scalable process. The initial task in this workflow uses Camunda's AI agent connector. This connector has been configured to dynamically route requests based on the content of the leave request. This approach allows for more flexible policy interpretation compared to hard-coded business rules and serves as a demonstration of how AI-assisted decision-making can be integrated into process orchestration workflows. In the leave request application, the employee logs in and is presented with a dashboard containing their previous leave requests, as well as the option to submit a new request. For the first scenario, a vacation request is being submitted. The leave type is set to vacation with a duration of 5 days. The Form.IO webhook is triggered upon submission and the request data is sent to the API, which forwards it to Camunda to initiate the workflow process. In the Camunda console, the process has already been completed. The AI agent connector evaluated the vacation balance and auto-approved within seconds. No human intervention was required here. The leave request now displays an approved status in the employee's dashboard. The entire approval cycle was completed automatically based on the business rules defined in the Camunda process. For the second scenario, the same employee is submitting a sick leave request. The leave type is set to sick with a duration of 3 full weeks. Once submitted, the Camunda AI agent connector processes this request differently. Because the sick leave duration exceeds 3 days, company policy requires medical documentation. The Get Doctor's Note tool is activated, and the process enters a waiting state pending the required documentation. Back in the application, the employee can submit the doctor's note, which will resume the process in Camunda. The Camunda process detects that the documentation has been received and advances to the supervisor review step. The original leave request is updated to notify the employee's supervisor of a pending leave request. The supervisor can review the complete leave request details in their dashboard, including the uploaded doctor's note. After evaluating the request, the supervisor approves it. This approval action completes the process in Camunda. All required approvals have been obtained, and the leave request has been fully processed. When the employee returns to their dashboard and checks their request history, the 3-week sick leave request now displays an approved status. The complete approval workflow from initial submission and supervisor review has been orchestrated by Camunda, while Form.IO maintained the submission data and provided the user interface at each step. There you have it. Camunda and Form.IO together deliver a modern, flexible foundation for digital processes to empower teams and delight customers in a combination that provides faster time to value, greater operational resilience, and the ability to scale without friction. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you build smarter, more resilient workflows with Camunda and Form.IO.